Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make mockups for clothing brand in Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select apps. After selecting apps, you're going to see the option right here. By scrolling down, you will see mockups option in the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you can select apparel from the top navigation bar, or you could tap on the search bar and you could type in the type of clothing that you want to create a mock-up for. Let's say, for example, we would like to create a mock-up for t-shirt. You could select t-shirt right here. And by the way, by scrolling across, you can see various options, or by scrolling down, you can see different options. After selecting t-shirt, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you have even further options, whether it be long sleeve t-shirt, men's t-shirt, or so on. You can get more specific, as you can see right here. And scrolling down, keep in mind that any one of the mockups that you see with the sign that says Pro, that means that you have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular mockup. But don't worry, there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free. So you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking that you can use for free. For example, you have this template that you can use, and you have these right here. And by scrolling down, you will also see other options that you can use for free, like this option right here. And scrolling down, you will see various options also. So let's say, for example's sake, let's say we would like to use this template. We're going to select the template. Then after selecting the template, you can see similar templates like this, and you're going to tap on select. After tapping on select, from here, you can choose your design if you had a design already, or you can tap on designs from the left-hand menu option, and from there, you'll be able to view your designs on Canva. So let's say, for example's sake, just say for example's sake, I want to use this. I could tap on this option, then tap on select. After you have done that, you can see my design has been added to the t-shirt right here. So all I would need to do now, I can tap on save mockup. After you have tapped on save mockup, you can see it right there. Then you can either choose to download the mockup, or you could choose to use it in a design. If I were to tap on download, so after downloading it, you can see right here. So if I were to tap on it, you can see the mockup right there that we can upload and use onto any other platform for completely free. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.